everyone! I'm thrilled to unravel the mystery behind the LG G3 OLED TV. It's time to spill the secrets. Why might the LG G3 be the TV to beat in 2024? Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Ready for the reveal? Let's dive in. Picture quality. The LG G3 OLED TV is a visual marvel. It goes beyond the norm, delivering crystal clear 4K visuals that are a feast for the eyes. The vibrant colors and precision in detail transform every viewing experience into a cinematic masterpiece. The inclusion of high dynamic range HDR and Dolby Vision takes it to the next level, ensuring that every scene is a visual feast. What's truly impressive is the A9 Gen 6 processor, which elevates even standard dynamic range SDR content, providing a remarkable viewing experience. The OLED display produces perfect black levels and infinite contrast, allowing colors and highlights to pop with brilliance. Daytime and bright room viewing is now a joy with improved reflection handling. Brightness. One of the standout features of the LG G3 is the Brightness Booster Max. This feature provides a whopping 70% increase in brightness, making it a game changer for those who often find themselves in well-lit environments. With side-by-side comparisons, it's evident that the G3 outshines its predecessors and competitors. This brighter screen not only enhances daytime viewing, but also gives you precise control over brightness levels to cater to your preferences. Movies. Movie nights will never be the same with the LG G3 OLED. It's a true cinematic marvel, thanks to Dolby Vision support and impeccable black levels. The OLED Evo panel enhances every frame, making colors pop and black levels richer, adding a new dimension to your movie nights. The improved reflection handling ensures uninterrupted viewing pleasure, whether it's day or night. As someone who watches 3 to 4 movies a week, the G3 has become my go-to choice. Its seamless integration with popular streaming services and impeccable color reproduction make it a cinematic powerhouse. Gaming. Boasting 4 HDMI 2.1 ports with 4K 120Hz support, this TV is a dream come true for console enthusiasts. Whether you're on the PS5 or Xbox Series X, the G3 delivers a visual spectacle with rapid refresh rates. Dive into the world of smooth gaming thanks to the variable refresh rate (VRR) support. No more screen tearing or stuttering, just pure gaming bliss. The G3's 0.1 millisecond response time and support for NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium ensure unparalleled responsiveness. The Brightness Booster Max dispels the notion of OLEDs being less bright, making it a gaming powerhouse that shines day or night. Design. This true marvel seamlessly combines aesthetics and innovation, featuring ultra-thin bezels for a cinematic floating appearance. Designed for elegance, the G3 offers a chic, flush-to-the-wall installation with a wall bracket. There's also an optional stand, though feedback notes it can be a bit wobbly. But let's face it, wall mounting for that modern, seamless look is the way to go. Peek around the back and you'll find a range of ports, conveniently placed on the side for easy access. 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, 3 USBs, Ethernet, optical out, and cable ports. A nifty feature is the always ready mode, transforming your TV into a digital picture frame, displaying artwork, the clock, or your photos when not in use. The G3 allows for a near-zero gap when wall-mounted, showcasing LG's commitment to seamlessly blending technology into your living space. OS and menus. The operating system and menus. LG's G3 OLED runs on the sophisticated WebOS 23, a polished upgrade from its predecessor. It's not just functional, it's visually pleasing. Quick card, customizable menus, and the AI Picture Wizard make it a joy to use. Plus, it supports Matter, the new smart home standard. This means it plays well with future smart home devices. Your TV is not just a screen, it's a hub for your connected world. Other features. Let's explore some standout features of the LG G3 OLED. In the settings, you'll find pixel cleaning for top-notch visuals and a screen move option to prevent burn-in. Control logo brightness for a balanced view. Picture-in-picture mode makes multitasking a breeze, ideal for keeping up with the news during gaming. Apple enthusiasts rejoice. The G3 supports AirPlay for seamless device sharing. The always-ready mode turns your TV into a digital picture frame, adding a touch of aesthetics. The Magic Wand remote ensures easy navigation, especially during late-night browsing. Despite the trend for external sound systems, G3's internal speakers impress, and Bluetooth support allows for wireless headphone pairing, ensuring a disturbance-free movie experience. Wrapping it up, the G3 is available in 4 sizes, and yes, it's not cheap. But with the 5-year warranty, LG is offering peace of mind. Is it the best TV in 2024? Well, for movies and gaming, I'd say it's a strong contender. The brighter screen, the exceptional picture quality, and the gaming features make it a top choice. Thanks for sticking around till the end. What are your thoughts on the LG G3? Is the brighter screen enough to sway you? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe. Until next time, happy watching!